everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we got something special, a new Foxy plushie from Target. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna open it.